So, hello guys, I am Balmiki from Kolkata, a car enthusiast and model car collector. Welcome you all in this new video. In this video, we will be unboxing a car that I ordered from Amazon and it has been delivered just now. So I thought that let's just unbox this car with all of you guys. So without wasting any more time, let's get quickly started. This is such a special car that I have been searching for a really long time. Because of its high price, I couldn't afford this. But last night while surfing Amazon, I searched it and found it so cheap that I ordered it promptly and got it today. So this is the package. As I previously mentioned, I got this package from Amazon. Let's cut it from here and take a look inside. So this is a car. This is the Defender old version of legendary Land Rover family. So as you can see, the frame, 3 Land Rover, one is the Discovery and the 2 is Sports. One is in matte black version and the other one is glossy version, but let's all keep that aside and take a look on this beauty. Oh my god, it has some openable parts like its bonnet. I think that it has an openable bonnet. Yeah, it has an openable bonnet as well as openable doors, a working headlight and openable. Oh my god, this car is really feature packed. Don't worry, I will give the link in the description. You can also check that out. So let's enjoy the B-roll.